Hello everyone, I am Ramon with Ramon at Home, and today I have 5 hacks on how to decorate your bathroom like a designer. If you live in an apartment or a small house and just don't know what to do with that small space, I'm gonna show you with a $50 budget and some ideas, and following some of the rules I already taught you about interior decor, you will be able to decorate any bathroom and make it look like a spa that you've been wanting to have in your home. If you want to see this video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video and share with your friends. Visit my website and don't forget to subscribe to Ramon at Home for future decorating ideas. Let's get started. Raise your hand up if you live in a space where your bathrooms are just so small and you are clueless on what to do with them. Today I'm going to give you 5 hacks on how to decorate a bathroom like a designer and make it feel like a spa. In my home, I have a bathroom that is attached to my guest bedroom and I did not know what to do with it. It's so small. However, I made it my job to come up with an idea in under $50. I came up with 5 hacks that I think you guys are going to love and want to use in your home. First of all is, instead of using a shower curtain, which I have right here, and it's just the patterns on them and the fabrics are hideous, use a drapery panel. The reason why I like to use a drapery panel is because I like to treat my walls as my upholstery in a small space. You do not want to have a really bright color on your walls, so keep it neutral. And by using one of these drapery panels with a very saturated blue paisley color, then that allows me to punch the color and also the texture and the pattern, which is some of the rules that I already gave you guys on a video. If you guys haven't seen my top 10 rules on how to decorate like a designer on a budget, I'm gonna link that down below so you guys can watch that video, and because the rules will apply to all of your rooms, especially with this. So by putting this panel, that provides me with texture, that provides me with pattern, and that also provides me with color. Hack number 2 is always when you're in your bathroom, use these drapery hooks. The reason why I like to use these drapery hooks is because a regular shower hook, and I know if you guys have them, they tend to fall apart, they tend to fall from the rod, and they're just not very attractive. So instead of having this really unattractive drapery hook, and I know some of them have patterns of flower, get rid of those and just get yourself very simple drapery hooks. They will do the trick, and it will make your drapery in your bathroom look a lot more finished. Another hack that I can give you is artwork. Go to your thrift store and find yourself some artwork. What I did in this bathroom is I themed all the artwork in the bathroom, and I did really old buildings, and I have them on pictures as well as on this blue and white plate that I put on top of this picture. It makes your bathroom look a lot more expensive, and by having the artwork in a smaller scale, it really does help to bring that wall out to life without taking a lot from your wall space, because you do not want to saturate the walls on a very small bathroom. Another hack I want to give you is always have a candle. When my guests come, I always leave a candle and a little pack of matches so they can go into the bathroom and have a bubble bath and just relax to a beautiful scent. Always have a candle in your bathroom. One of my rules on my top 10 rules for decorating like a designer on a budget was always bring in some florals and greeneries. In this case, I bought this orchid at Hobby Lobby, and I just put it on one of these blue and white potteries that I found at a thrift store. And I think by bringing that touch of floral, it does help make it look a little bit more spa-like, and it does feel a lot more spa-like. Another thing that I want to recommend to you, always use a tray. When you have a small counter space and you have stuff splattered all over the place, it looks better by gathering all in a tray, and also helps your counter space look bigger. It's an eye trick that I can give you, and trust me, if you follow this trick, your counter space is always going to look clean and finished. I told you guys that I was gonna spend $50 on this makeover, and I actually came under budget. My splurge was the rug that I bought at one of my local discount stores, and it was $19.95. However, I wanted to bring in that texture to go with the basket on top of the patio. The reason why I want to do that is because I always like to bring texture into the room. So by bringing that textural element to the floor, it really helps it look more generic and a little bit more cohesive with the color scheme on the room. Also, the pattern mixing in this particular room is the drapery panel that I use for a shower curtain. And the other tip I can give you is always take that drapery panel all the way to the ceiling, even if you have to go out and find a 95 or however many inches you need of a drapery panel, so it goes all the way down. It really does make it look more finished, and it looks like there is a wallpaper on that wall instead of having it all open and exposed, and you see rugs and you see shower curtains and all of that stuff. It makes it look more cohesive, and it makes it look a lot more finished. I hope you guys like this video. Remember, by following some of my top 10 rules for interior design and applying these 5 hacks into your small space, you too can create a space that looks like an interior designer came and decorated it. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Leave me a comment on the comment section below what other ideas we'd like to see on this channel. Don't forget to visit my website, and don't forget to subscribe to Ramona Home for future decorating ideas. Until then, bye.